How you doing out there, all you media makers? My name's Riel Rusopoulos, and I want to show you a cool solution that I've created for you that will allow you to create a website very, very quickly, which I believe, I hope anyway, will suffice for the Canadian Media Fund's new requirement to have a web presence as part of your pitch for any kind of film, television related Canada content funding. So let me just show you how this works. Basically, this is a community site. You can set up a profile on the site, and as part of it, you can have a blog on your site. You can put up products. You can't actually sell products through the site, but you can showcase them. So the idea is that if you have certain titles or games or whatever you're working on, you can showcase your projects here. There's a forum. I don't know that the coupons will still be there. That's part of our system. I'm probably going to delete. Now, here's the interesting part. This is free, and you can set up, as you can see, I can drop in some little code for things like, you know, a Facebook wall, or in this case, I've got my friend feed wall. It shows where I am. There's a comment area so people can leave feedback on my profile. Now, what the neat part is that I can take that same profile and map a domain name. So you can see here I've got smarty.biz. I've got a separate website that renders as my company website, let's say, or my project website. And I'm using the exact same information that's on the profile. In fact, if I left a comment here, it would show up on here. In fact, why don't we try that? Thanks for setting this up, Riel. So if I post this, now I may need to pause this and go approve the comment because, of course, comment created. Oh no, it's on auto approve. So now, in theory, if I refresh this, I should have a comment on my blog. And there you go. You can see Joe Media. Thanks for setting this up, Riel. Cool. So now I have a way to collect a list. Oh, and I should say, if they had left it here, that person would be added to my mailing list. So now I'm building a contact list of people that are interested in my project, and I can email them. You can see here, I've also got my blog engine built in here. So the same blogs that are appearing on the community site. And I should say that you can have a blog on this site and you can generate content directly from this site, but you can also just import your existing blog. So if you're blogging somewhere else, you can just give us the feed for your blog and it'll pipe it in automatically and appear as new blog posts. So you can see here on the community site, I've written a blog post about this new policy from the Canadian Media Fund. And when I go onto my personal website, the same blog is showing up there. And of course, I've got all of the social tools. I can tweet this and Facebook it. People can subscribe to my RSS feed. I can email this to friends, import my address book if I want to import all of my address from Gmail, for example, or Outlook. I could import all my contacts, and I've pre-set it up. So should make this box a little wider, but you can see there's a message already written in there saying come and see my profile and comment on it. And so yeah, it gives you a way to build a list and very quickly you know, have a Web 2.0 presence. Your pages can all be shared. If you have a Twitter account or a Facebook account, you can hook them up. Again, this is common on all pages. So I think this is an excellent, and so here's the catch, basically. So because you're going, oh, I don't, you know, how can you do this? Why are you doing this? I'm going to have advertising on the site, so you can have the site for free. You can have the profile for free, and basically I'll have advertising on your site in this kind of a form. If you want to remove the ads, there'll be a small fee, very reasonable, to remove the ads annually. It'll be cheaper than having a hosting account probably, but yeah, basically that's it. So, but my intention is to give you a site that will help you get started with your project for very low cost, and then of course when you get picked up and you're rich and famous, I'm your web designer because, you know, I helped you. So that's the deal. Try it out.